Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faris Fahmi and today I would like to present my first board for LAS 618 GIS in Landscape Architecture, which is Lab Exercise 01 Using and Making Maps. First of all, I want to give introduction about GIS. What is GIS? GIS is a Geographic Information System, which is a computer system for capturing, storing, checking, and displaying geographically referred information. With this mechanism, knowledge becomes broader and data retrieval will become easier due to the detail of the data provided. Next, we move to Chapter 1. Chapter 1 have 9 tutorials, and the first tutorial is about Print and Save document. And next, the second tutorial is about working with map layers. In this tutorial, it teaches me how to turn on and off layers, how to add and remove map layers, how to use relative path, change layer displays order, change layer color, and lastly change layer outline color. Next, the third tutorial, it is about navigating in a map document. For example, it uses simple tools such as zoom tools, pen tool, and next extend tools. It also have magnifier window, overview window, and it also have bookmarks. In tutorial 4, it is about measuring distance. It teaches me how to measure a state distance and also how to change measurement units. Next, we move to tutorial 5. Tutorial 5 is working with features such as use identify tools, and I also can use advanced identify tools capabilities. And lastly, I can find features, which is it good for me to find information about a state or an area. Next is selecting features. This tutorial is teaching me about how to select an area by using a tools. And for the 7th tutorial, it was related with the 6th one, which is changing selection option. It teaches me how to change selection properties by layer. And by using the selection tools, it have a variety of shape, which is select by rectangle, select by polygon, select by lasso, select by circle, and select by line. Next, I can set the selectable layer and select by graphic. For the 8th tutorial, it is working with attribute tables. For this one, it is easy for me to select by looking at the tables. It makes the data in the tables more organized and easy to look through. For this tutorial, I can open attribute table and select record. Also, I can select features and see select a record. I can switch selection. I can sort a field, use advanced sorting, and get statistics. And lastly, for chapter 1, tutorial 9, it is about labeling features. Labeling features is how to label an area by set label properties and label features, convert label to annotation, and edit label graphic. Next is chapter 2. In chapter 2, I learned how to add display polygons by using single symbols and unique symbols. And also, I can label zoning features by create definition query by displaying points using unique symbols or displaying lines using a single symbols. Next, in second tutorial in chapter 2, I learned how to create choropleth map. And in the third tutorial, it teaches me how to custom classes for a map. For example, I can create a custom classification, and then I can learn how to save and import layer. And lastly, for chapter 2, it teaches me how to custom colors for a map, which is I can manually change class colors. And lastly, for the chapter 3, in tutorial 3.2, it teaches me how to create map layouts. By this tutorial, I can learn how to verify layout view options, set up layout page, create and use guidelines, insert scale bar and text, and lastly create JPEG image. And for the conclusion, in my opinion, geography information system can help in terms of better data management, easier recording, and easier decision making, because the available data is always updated. That's all for me. Thank you.